Hi everyone, it's Lorraine with Pigments for Hue. Welcome to my channel and another video. Thanks for stopping in. I'm going to be working on this hexagon. I'm using a split cup. I'm going to be putting this brown in both sides, equal amounts. I will have my colors listed below in the drop box. And I'm going to be doing a split color background and a fall flower over that. So this brown that I'm using is Color to Go by Sherman Williams. When I bought it, I was at a thrift shop. It was $1 a container. There was 2 of them. They both said satin white. And I get home, open them up, and unpleasantly find brown. So I'm gonna have to incorporate some brown here and there in my paintings. Now the center color is Yellow Ochre, and I'm putting a little bit less in there than what I did of the brown. It's below those levels. And then I will be pouring it out over my canvas. I'm going to be pouring it in rings. And I'm going to put it on a spinner to make it a little bit easier here. And I'm going to torch this real quick and then spin it out. The yellow ochre took over a little bit more than what I wanted it to, but that's okay. And then I'm just spinning it out, centering, and all that kind of good stuff. Alright, so next I'm putting my folk art toy in the middle, and I'm going to center it the best I can. So I'm going to put down my first color, and I'm not going to put a whole lot in because the next color, I want that color to push it out. That way it's not using quite so much paint and you're not running your whole design off of the canvas. Now I'm going to let this sit here a second, and then I'm also going to kind of lift it up a little bit, spin it kind of back and forth just to get the paint to disperse. And then I'm going to add my last little bit of color there. And then I'm going to spin the toy off of there. And then I'm adding my detail with a skewer. I've got a lump in there somewhere. I'll end up getting it out. So right now I'm just trying to get the flower to center a little bit and get it to be stretched out a little bit more evenly. And then I will be putting some dots in the middle to give it a cuter center. So now I'm going to take the fatter end of the skewer and put some swirls around the inner petals, and then I will be using the fat end of the stick to also put dots of yellow and orange to give it its center. So off camera I did some more dots in the middle, and I will be bringing you in for a close-up. And like I said, this really had to grow on me, but I really do like it. And here comes the semi-wet results, I believe. But anyway, if you like my video, if you haven't done so, or if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for the next video that I'll be putting up, so you know when that will be. And until then, you all take care now. Bye-bye.